Hi, this is a kid named Joey, and today we're going to show you how to play Freebird by Leonard Skinner with the chords. Alright, I'll play the intro, and you can play it back. I'll show you how. That's how you play the intro, and now I'll show you. First, you want to play a G. You'll see a diagram. D, E minor, F, C, D, K. That's how you play the verse as well. Now you can do the intro differently if you choose to. The way I like to do it is go G, put your index finger on that second fret there, hammer on and pull off, and then open string, and then put your two fingers there where you would make an E minor. And what I like to do is make this a suspended chord and put some embellishments on it. So how you do that is you put your pinky there on the third fret, let off, take off whatever finger you have on the second fret there on the high E and put it back on. That's how you play Freebird. I hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe if you choose to, right over here. And check out some of my other videos. Thanks a bunch. Requests are welcome. Talk to you guys later. And join us next time.